In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy ETF on Moomoo. So the first thing you want to do is open an account. So once you have installed your Moomoo to your phone, you want to open up the app and then you want to open an account. And the way you do this, at the very bottom middle, it says open account, click on that. And then yet again, click the white button at the bottom, which says open account. And then from here, you will have to select your tax residence. So either you have US, so you can proceed with your SSN or ITIN, or for other regions, you will have to proceed with your passport or ID document. Now, after you do this, click on next, and then you will have to go through the sign up process to open your account. Once you have your account opened, you can then, let me just leave over here, you will be able to go back. And here, you want to go to watch lists at the bottom left. Go to the very top right where you can see the search button, so the magnifying glass one, click on that, and in here you'll see just below the search box you see different things, and one of them says ETFs. So this is what you want to click. You want to click ETFs, and then here you have different things. So you have index ETFs, you have thematic ETFs, you have different ETF tools, the heat map, featured lists, etc. Okay, so assuming you want to, let's say for example, select the index ETFs, you want to just click on index ETFs, and it will give you a whole list over here of different ETFs you have available. If you want to search for a specific one, you can also use the search box at the top right, there we go, and you want to simply type that in. But if not, of course, you can just scroll down and find the one you would like. So for example, let's say you want to go with this first one over here, you want to click on it. And then once you click on an ETF you would like to invest into, you want to click trade at the very bottom left. And once you click that, a option to buy will pop up. You want to click on buy. Basically just select how much of that ETF you would like to buy, and then you will have to review and confirm the transaction, and you have successfully bought ETF on Moomoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.